following messages transmitted at the request of the New Jersey State Police Missing Persons Unit. A child, Adrian Tong, was taken by his non-custodial father, Brett Tong, today, January 27, 2012, from 776 Westfield Avenue in Elizabeth, New Jersey, Union County. The child is 2 years old, male, 3 feet tall, weighing 30 pounds. He has brown eyes and black hair. His race is black. His date of birth is August 7, 2009. Brett Tong does not have legal custody of the child. The mother has full legal custody. The child, Adrian Tong, was last seen wearing a green jacket, beige shirt, and blue jeans. The non-custodial father, Brett Tong, was last seen wearing a black leather jacket, blue jeans, and black boots. The suspect is not driving a vehicle.
For new